Well, good afternoon and welcome to this episode of Three Things in 3 Minutes. My name is Damon King. I'm a certified financial planner professional, licensed investment advisor, and licensed insurance professional with Chapelwood Financial Services in the Oklahoma City area. I also serve as the lead instructor for the Rock Your Retirement Financial Enrichment Series at Francis Tuttle Technology Center. Today we're talking all about value, and specifically the value that a really good financial advisor can bring to a client beyond just returns in your portfolio. There's a lot more to your financial success than just returns in your portfolio. That's the most obvious one, but there are other things that are happening beneath the surface, behind the scenes, that you don't always see, but can add real value, and in some cases up to 3% in net returns to your portfolio. So I'm going to reveal to you three of the top 5 ways that advisors can add value to their clients, according to a study from Vanguard. The first way is through behavioral coaching. Let's say that you're walking along the beach. It's a sandy beach in Hawaii or somewhere in the Caribbean, and you happen to see this beautiful beachfront condo, and you think to yourself, I've always wanted a beachfront condo, and you, on the spur of the moment, decide to write a $300,000 check to buy this condo. You didn't call anybody, you didn't think about it, you just did it. And you certainly didn't call your financial advisor to ask, is this okay? Can I do this? Meanwhile, your advisor's thinking, we didn't plan for this. I didn't plan for this in their income plan. A good advisor will help you decide when is the best time to do that. They're not going to say don't do it. They're just going to coach you through, let's do this according to our plan. Let's stick to our plan. Advisors who can, through coaching, behavioral coaching, help you stick to your well thought out plan can add between 1 and 2% in net returns over the life of your plan. If you think that's not very much, consider just 1% of growth on $1 million over 30 years. At the end of 30 years, with $1 million, with just 1% of net growth, that would turn into $347,848 additional dollars that your advisor helped to add to your portfolio just by making sure that you didn't make any crazy decisions that didn't fit into your overall plan. Number 2, advisors who can help their clients manage cash flow can add about 1.1% in net returns over the life of their portfolio. When we mean cash flow, we're talking about a couple of things. Number 1, making sure that you're not taking more than is required from your tax-deferred accounts. Many people just take all their money from their IRAs, their 401ks, that sort of thing. They don't consider their other buckets of money. Guess what? That's all taxable income. And if you take all your money from there, all your income's taxable. Maybe you could use other buckets of money like cash. Maybe you've got some brokerage accounts. Maybe you've got some other accounts that have already been taxed or are taxed at lower rates than your regular income tax rate. Your advisor can help you do that. And every dollar you save in taxes is a dollar that Uncle Sam doesn't get and you get to keep in your total investment portfolio. So again, 1.1% over time on $1 million is over $300,000 added back into your account. And the third way that a good advisor can add value to your account is through asset allocation. Everybody understands that if you have a good mix of stocks, bonds, alternatives, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, whatever, that's the best way to invest. But a good advisor won't just look at that aspect of your investments, they'll look at your overall picture. So do you have a good balance between cash, guaranteed sources, protected sources of money, as well as investments in the stock market? That can add an additional 0.75% in net returns over the life of your account. So thanks so much for watching today. Those are 3 ways that a good advisor can add additional value to your account. If you've got any questions, please feel free to share those down in the bottom in the comments section. And thank you so much for watching. We'll be back again next week with another 3 Things in 3 Minutes. Until then, have a great week, and we'll see you next time.